did it. This top right. We're at Subway right now, grabbing some snacks. I actually have dinner tonight, but I'm really hungry, so we're gonna get 2 Subways.
Yeah, what is this? Oh, the church. Alright, Dan, I'm gonna get a photo of that one.
Yeah, same. I'm on my way to the hairdresser's right now and I'm running a little bit late. I'm so sorry, Rosie. But I picked up some flowers for her yesterday. I'm getting my roots done right now. I'm doing a full head of highlights and they've grown out a lot, but I'm just getting my roots touched up and I'm going chocolate brown today. So normally I do like really dark brown, but I'm doing like a little bit lighter because it's summertime and I feel like it's the vibe. We've washed out all the products, so I'm gonna be going chocolate brown on all of this part.
But like water wave.
Water, yeah.
There's a like big one.
Big ones, yes. Happy Saturday, guys. I'm going apartment hunting today.
Yeah. One of residential facing.
This is very cute.
That building's gone crazy now.
Okay.
We just sold a 7 square meter to people. 228, so I understand like the really big apartments. Like, I find that buildings as well is they come with a lot of amenities as well.
So it's school holidays.
Actually?
Yeah.
For every school?
It's time for a Sunday reset. I'm so over this past few weeks. I'm in my gym gear because I'm about to go to the gym, but before that I'm just cleaning up some clothes in the back. I made soybean paste stew for lunch and I've also got some rice. This is like my go-to because it's low in calories, but also I get all the protein that I need. I'm about to go to the gym. I'm doing a leg day today. I promised myself I should do an arm day, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow. So leg day and ab day today. Feels so good after that. I feel like it like tightened my pores a lot. This is the mask I used. You know what? I'm gonna use this. I've got a bedside table to build, guys. These are the instructions. I really don't like reading instructions, but this is gonna match the vibe of the apartment. Like you see, we have the rattan going on there. We're gonna have this in the room too. I'm watching a CNA Insider documentary and eating some toast while I build this. hate myself. I literally built this the wrong way around. If you can see, this is meant to be at the back because the front is meant to look like this. But because I've literally nailed in the back, I can't take off these nails. So I just ordered a whole new bedside table and we're gonna figure out what to do with this. Maybe sell it on Facebook Marketplace or something. Guys, I did it. I did it. Check it out. Nice. Sending out some orders this morning. This is my lunch. It looks more like breakfast. So I'm watching the Beckham documentary while I do this.
And there's some of it.
Middies. Hey, Middies.
The press were there, in cars.
Mimi.
10-15 paparazzi
Hey,
there
girl.
every morning.
I ordered pho for lunch. This is like my comfort go-to meal. I got my period today and I feel like absolute crap. I feel so bad, and I used to never get cramps, but nowadays I get cramps, which is really weird because I used to never get them. I'm not actually chilling, I'm like half chilling, half editing. And also I was thinking about my degree because I don't think I've talked about my degree for a little bit, and I'm still in uni, guys. When you go to uni, anyone who hasn't gone yet or is in their first or second year and you want to change your degree, just change it. Like, don't think about it too much, just change the degree, because I have so many regrets now for not changing my degree sooner. I wish I'd just changed it in the first year when I didn't feel it, because now I'm kind of stuck with the degree that I'm like, like, it's great, but also like I don't love it. It's quite painful to push yourself through something you really don't enjoy. So I'm like deciding right now if I should go back and finish this, or I try and do an internal transfer into a different degree that I prefer, because I really want to do languages and focus more on languages. That's like literally my dream. My dream would be to just go to uni and study more languages. You could do languages like outside of a uni setting, but what I like is like the structure of it and having that like commitment of going in and then the classes and everything and the social interaction. So I do really enjoy that aspect of it. And I'm doing information systems right now, by the way, which is a kind of, it's like a tech business degree. Got all of the goods for the shelf, and then this, which is too long for our car, so we called for some help. Today is an extremely hot day. I built a new wardrobe recently and I really want to show you guys because it has been my dream to have a closet, but this apartment just doesn't have extra space or like enough space for a closet, so I just like built it in the storage room. And I don't know how I'm gonna move this closet out because I've literally like built it into the room. There's no space to move it, so I literally have to take it apart. But anyways, I'm so excited about it. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what the closet looks like, and I wish the camera was a bit wider, but essentially I have all my clothes in these cubbies, and then we have this little cubby for my baggies, and put all my shoes down here for the moment. This is my current wardrobe situation. I'm so happy about it. I wish I had a better way of showing you guys. It's actually just like so narrow in here, but I'm gonna get a carpet put down like right at this little walkway area that I do have. We have 1, 2, 3 like big cubbies, and then we have this one that's like what all the bags are sitting on and you guys are sitting on right now. I got a YesStyle package in the mail, which means I got either more clothes or cutlery or makeup and skincare. I might do a giveaway as well and give some of this stuff away because I literally have so much makeup and skincare, it's crazy. These are my favorite eyelashes. I use them like every day. This t-shirt, you should talk to a therapist. This top right here. Oh my god, okay. I got a new laptop bag. I got this teddy bear hairbrush and it has a compact mirror, but it also has a brush. I just found my favorite item. This bag. It's a makeup bag. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean up after. I got this t-shirt and it has all these cats on it. I have a YesStyle code as well. This video isn't sponsored by the way, but yeah. I have a code down below if you want to save some money.